Hello children, welcome to online mathematics class. In our last class, we have learned numbers till 20 and we have also solved few problems and few exercises are left for you. Did you all do it? Did you complete the beautiful drawing where we have to join the dots? Yes, surely you have done it, I know. Now, today in our class, we will learn before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. For that, we have a number strip here from 1 to 20. And what we have to do? You can see some drawings here, few boxes, few spectacles and few triangles. The first thing is, what we have to do with these spectacles is, we have to write number which is before the given number. So, there are two spectacles, right? We have two glasses. In one glass, we are given one number and in the other glass, that is in the first glass, we have to write the number which comes before this given number. So, what is our first number? 9 is given. So, where is 9 in the strip? 9 is here. And what is before 9? 8. So, write 8 here. So, before number means which comes first than the given number. Okay. So, 8 is coming first and after 8 there is 9. So, that is before number. And in the second spectacle what is given? 13 is given. Where is 13 in our strip? Here. So, what is before 13? 12. So, let us write 12 in the first class. And next is 20. So, where is 20? 20 is in the last, 20. And before 20 what is there? 19. So, the before number of 20 is 19. Let us write 19. And the next one is 11. Where is 11? Yes, here it is. And before number of 11 is 10. So, let us write 10 in this first specs. And next is 17. So, 17 is here itself, very near. So, before 17 what is there? 16. So, let us write 16 in the first class. And the last is 5. So, where is 5? Without even looking at the strip we can say, what is the before number of 5? What comes before 5? You all know. Without seeing the number we can write, that is 4. Yes. So, this is before number and after number. What is after number? After number is which we write after the given number. So, that is the reason why all the numbers are given in the first box. In the second box what we have to do? We have to write the number which comes after the given number. So, here the second box is given, but here the first box is given. So, whenever we write the before number, we have to write on the left hand side number, and when we write after number, we have to write the number on the right hand side. Now, let us see 6. After 6 what it comes? What number does it come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and after 6, 7. Without looking at the numbers we can write here 7. And after 10, 11. I know you know the numbers by hearted. So, even without looking at the strip, you can write. You know the numbers till 20. 19. After 19, 20. So, after 9, 10. After 14, 15. After 17, 18. So, even though we know the numbers, let us once cross check the after numbers with the given number strip. What did we write here? 7 after 6. After 6, 7 is there. Okay, we are correct. After 10, 11 is there. So, in the strip also it is 11. So, this also we did correctly. And after 19, it is 20. So, this one also we did correctly. And after 9, where is 9? 9. And it is 10. So, after 9, it is 10. This also we did correctly. And 14, after 14 it is 15. We also wrote 15 and after 17 it is 18. So now we are all very familiar with 20 numbers. Now this is between numbers. What is between? Two numbers are given. We have to write the middle number. So what is the two numbers given here? 11 and 13. 11 and 13. What is in between? 12 is between 11 and 13. So let's write 12 here. Next is 18 and 20. 18 and 20. What is there? 19 is there. So let's write 19 in the between triangle. And 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Which number is there in between 5 and 7? 6. So let's write 6 in the middle triangle. And last one is 14 and 16. 14 and 16. Which number is there between 14 and 16? 15 is there. So let's write 15. So with this we have completed our before number, after number and between number. Now all of you open your textbooks. Open page number 16. Here we have an exercise based on this before number, after number and between number. I shall read the question and show and explain you, and I want you to write the number. Okay. Now did you all open the textbook? First question. Fill in the boxes with the correct number. What comes before, after and between? While explaining, what did I tell you? If the first box number is given, we have to write after number. Okay. If the second box number is given, we have to write before number. If the middle box is empty, what we have to write? We have to write between number, right? So now here the second box is given. 8 is given. Okay, let me come forward. Okay. Now 8 is given. That means second box is given. So what should we write? We should write before number. What comes before 8? 7. 7 comes before 8. And in the second question, 10 is given. But where is 10 given? 10 is given in the first box. That means we have to write after number. Yes or no? After 10 what number comes? 11. Okay. And here the middle box is given. That means we have to write between number. 11 and 13. What comes in between 11 and 13? 12. And in the fourth question, 15 is given. So 15 is in the first box. So we have to write the after number. What comes after 15? 16 comes after 15. And here 19 is given in the second box. And middle box is left here. And here also second box. Here first box, middle box and middle box. I want these six numbers to be filled by yourself. We have solved 4 boxes here. Other 6 boxes you do it after the class as a homework. And coming to the next question. Fill in the boxes and write the answers. So we have to fill these boxes. Same like the above exercise, but it is given in the sentence form. So I will read it for you and I will do 2 examples. First question is, dash is after 5. What is he telling? What comes after 5? Okay. If you don't understand the sentence, you just observe the word after, before and between. Okay. Dash is after 5. Which number comes after 5? 6. 6 is after 5. 18 is after which number? 18 is after. Here after word is given, but what is he telling? 18 is after number. Of which number? 17. After 17, 18 comes. So we have to write 17. 14 is before. 14 comes before which number? 14 comes before which number? 13? No. 13 is the before number of 14. Here 14 comes before 15. Dash is before 19. So you have to write before number of 20, that is 19. Okay. 6 is between dash and dash. 6 is between, let me open the book, Nana. Hope you are able to see this. 6 is between dash and dash. 6 is between dash and dash. So 6 comes between which numbers? 5 and 7. 5, 6, 7. So 6 is in between 5 and 7. Dash is between 17 and 19. So what is the between number between 17 and 19? 18. So once again read the questions and do this exercise also. Now there are beautiful trees, sun and smile is here. What we have to do? We have to write the missing numbers. 7, 8, 10 is given. What is missing here? 9 is missing. So write 9 here. And after 10, 12 is given. One smiley is missing. Which smiley is missing? 11 smiley is missing. And beautiful sun. 14, 16, 18. What number comes between 14 and 16? 15. So fill this sun with 15. 16 and 18. What comes in between 16 and 18? 17. Okay. And trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees are given here. 9, 11 and 13 are given. Between trees are left over. So what we have to write? We have to write the between number. What comes between 9 and 11? 10. So write 10 here. Okay. And what comes between 11 and 13? 12. So write the 12. And down you can see a boy who is flying the kites. So when you observe the kites, there are some numbers given on the kite. So what we have to do? We have to complete this number sequence. From 13 to 19 numbers are given. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So the missing kites number, I want you to fill it in the order. After 13, 14, after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is already given. After completion of the exercise, now we shall learn a new topic. What is it? Comparison of numbers. So what is comparison means? If we take two numbers, we have to tell which number is bigger and which number is smaller. That is called comparison of numbers. So how can we tell it? By using this number strip only. So if a number is given, if two numbers are given, in our previous exercise we have learned after number and before number, right? So if you want to tell a number is smaller, you have to observe whether it is coming before or after in the number strip. Okay. So here in our textbook, few numbers are given. I will write on the board and explain for you. So 7, 8 and 9. So which number is smaller in these three numbers? 7. Why? Look at 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are here. Where is 7? Before or after? Before 8, 7 is there. So all the numbers which come before or which are very closer to 0 are called as smaller numbers. That is left hand side number. Whatever the number is given which are on the left side very close to 0 are smaller numbers. And 9, 8 and 9, which number is bigger? 9 is bigger. Now where is 9 on the number strip? 9 is on the right hand side and it is away from the 0. So whatever the number that comes after the given number or on the numbers that are on the right side, okay, right side are bigger numbers, and the numbers that are on the left side which are close to 0 are smaller numbers. Now we have an exercise on bigger numbers and smaller numbers. Let us do the exercise. Ring the smaller number. Two numbers are given. Ring the smaller number. Okay, 3 and 8. 3 is before 8 or after 8? Before 8. So which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So now just circle the 3. Okay, 14 and 10. Which is smaller number? 10 comes before or after 14? It comes before 14. So which is smaller? 10 is smaller. Okay. Now 6 and 5. 5 comes before 6 or after 6? It comes before 6. So 5 is smaller number. And in the same way, we are given few more examples. I want you to do it by yourself. Now next one, circle the bigger number. What number we have to circle? Bigger number. That means the numbers that are on the right side. Okay, which comes after the number. What numbers are given here? 9 and 10. 10 comes after 9 or before 9? It comes after 9. So 10 is the bigger number. Circle 10. 11 and 15. 15 comes after the 11 or before 11? After 11, which is on the right side. So 15 is the bigger number. And here 16 and 17. 17 comes after 16. So 17 is the bigger number. And other examples are given. I want you to do it by yourself. Now look at this page. Here we are given few objects. Put a tick in the circle to show which part has greater number of objects. What is he telling? He has given us, in our textbook we are given with few objects, and what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to count the objects and which objects are great in number, which objects are big in number, we have to tick it. Okay, let us count. For that we have to count the both objects. Yes or no? We want to know which objects are more. So we have to count both the objects. What is given here? Shoe are given. 1, 2, 3. 3 shoe are given, and don't tick. Count the other object also. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are given. So which will be the bigger in size? This is 3 and this is 5. So 5 is bigger than 3. So just put a tick here. Okay. Next, butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Write 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 caps. Write 8 here. Which are bigger in, which number is bigger? 9 is bigger. So put a tick. The ball and the shoe, cocks and the balloons, I want you to count it. Write the number in the circle and tick the bigger number. Put a tick in the circle to show which part has less number of objects. So here we are asked bigger and here we are asked lesser number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pomegranates are there. And 1, 2. Only 2. 2 watermelons are there. Which number is smaller? 2 is smaller. So tick 2. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10. What are these? I think tomatoes. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pears are there. So 8. Which is smaller? Pear is smaller. So tick pears. I want you to count these mangoes and apples, bananas and ice creams. Put the number in the circle and identify the lesser number. Tick it with the pencil. Now turn the page. Page number 20. Here also we have a similar exercise. Put tick for the greater number and cross mark for the smaller number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 and 1, 2, 3. 3. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So what we have to do? We have to put a cross mark, and for the greater number, tick mark. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 envelopes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aeroplanes are 4. So which is smaller? 4. So first put a cross mark. And which is bigger? 7. So put a tick mark. So remaining examples, the other 4 examples, I want you to do it by yourself. Now children, we have completed this, and coming to this page, this is also very simple. We are given numbers in the buckets and we have to tick the smallest number, which you can do it very easily. And here in the balls, we have to tick the biggest number among the same color balls. Okay, 12, 6, 7, same color balls are there. So which is the biggest? 12. So you just tick it. So remaining examples are also same. Here the down, you have to write the smallest and biggest from the given balls. Orange ball smallest and biggest, blue ball smallest and biggest. Now let us see one more topic, that is increasing order and decreasing order. So what is increasing order? Increasing order means writing the numbers from smaller to bigger. So now you have learnt what are smaller numbers, bigger numbers and between numbers. Okay. Now it is very easy for you to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So arranging or writing numbers from smallest to biggest is called as increasing order. Okay. Understood? Now let us do it with an example. We have 4 numbers here. What are those numbers? 19, 18, 4 and 13. What we have to do? We have to write in the increasing order. So increasing order means smallest to highest, right? So to write that, what we have to do? We have to first identify the smaller number. Which is the smaller number here? 4. 4 is the smaller number. And after 4, 13. And after 13, 18. And after 18, 19. So this is how we write in the increasing order, smallest to biggest. Now let us place these numbers in this Xmas tree. 4, 13, 18 and 19. Okay, this is the increasing order. Now decreasing order. What is decreasing order? Writing the numbers from highest to lowest, that is biggest to smallest, is decreasing order. Just reverse to this. Here we wrote smallest to biggest, that is increasing order, and decreasing order is biggest to smallest. So with the example, we will write in these circles. What are the numbers given here? 7, 11, 16 and 15. How we have to write? From biggest to smallest. So what we have to identify first? Which number is the biggest? We have to identify. Which is the biggest number? 16. So after 16, 15. After 15, 11. After 11, 7. So this is how we write the numbers in the decreasing order, from biggest to smallest. Now let us place this in circles. 16, 15, 11 and 7. So this is increasing order and decreasing order. With this topic we have completed our chapter. There are few more examples for you to practice on increasing or decreasing order. This one I have explained. I want you to do 2 examples for your practice sake, and here also this example I have explained. I want you to do this 3 examples. Now all of you turn page number 24. So page number 24 is very easy, that is number the kites in order from 1 to 10. Again we are going back to our first topic, that is Just like caterpillar, how we wrote the numbers, here on the kites also, here on the kites also we should write the numbers. So, is it visible? Is it visible? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 you have to write. Here, number the balloons in order from 10 to 1. What is 10 to 1? 10 to 1 is the decreasing order. After 10, 9. After 9, 8. After 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So, in the balloons you have to write the decreasing order. So, in the mangoes what you have to do? Number the mangoes from 5 to 11. 5 to 11. So, first number will be the 5. After 5, 6 and till 11 you have to write. So, here is a beautiful drawing. Again you have to trace the numbers. In the last drawing we have to trace the dots according to the number sequence till 10. But here in this drawing till 20, if you draw, you will find a beautiful chick and color the picture and make it as a beautiful drawing. Now turn page number 26. Page number 26 is our chapter drill, that is revision of all the topics that we have learnt in our first lesson. Write each number in letters. What is he asking? He is asking us to write the number names of the each number 11, 15, 17 and 19. You all of you have already learned the number names. So, write in the box that is provided. And the second question is write before number and after number. That is also very simple. And the third question is circle the smallest number and biggest number given in the each basket. That is also very simple, smallest and biggest. So, if you complete these 3 questions as homework, with that we will be completing our first chapter. In our first chapter we have learnt numbers till 20, number names, before numbers, after numbers, increasing order and decreasing order. Hope you have understood all the topics very well, and I believe that you will all complete the exercise problems and the remaining drawings too. So, with a new chapter, let us meet in our next class. Until then, thank you all.